Hello everyone, this is Azad, and for the last 4 years, I have been a marketer. I started my journey as a affiliate marketer and selling other people product with Instagram theme pages. Then I switched to coaching, to coach people how to start their affiliate journey as well. And then I'm switching to helping coaches to increase their to increase their business with Instagram marketing. So, in this social media generation, we all need to create content because the content is a lifeblood of our business. So, we're living in an attention economy. So, how do you get attention? We get attention via providing value. How do you provide value? We provide value via giving out valuable information and content out there. So to get attention of people, get attention in this noisy place, we need hooks. So this are there I'm giving away this 57 hooks that you could use to create your content. Either it is a short form video, is it a long form video, either it is a Twitter post, or a written content, or a Facebook post, or even a story post. I mean, whatever it is, you could use these hooks to create your content. So I'm absolutely giving away this jam-packed value for free for you guys to gain value from it, and I'm not expecting anything of return. So I hope you guys get value from it, and let's get started. So the number first hook that you could use, that the top three reasons that why you should do that. So let's say you are a fitness influencer. So let's say the top three reasons that why you should start working out, and something like top three reasons that why you should given up carbs to lose more weight, or something like that. Something like that. And number two is five things to avoid for. Let's say five things to avoid for um to the five foods that you need to avoid for I mean, you need to avoid in order to get a healthy, get a fit body. And then if you are a relationship coach, then you could say like five behavior to avoid for maintaining a good relationship. And let's say, and if you are a MMO coach, or a business, or a investing coach, you could say that the five strategies, or if you're a marketing coach, let's say, whatever it is, the five business mindset that you need to avoid for getting success in life. The five things that I used to think, five things that you need to avoid that cost me to lose that come and cost me to not getting leads, go not getting sales. And five sales mindset that you need to avoid for getting a good amount of close rate, something like that. And then number three could be, could you use like watch until the end. Is it me, or and something like, is it me, or you can use something like that, that is it only me, I mean, is it only me that was thinking that only way to lose weight is to giving up carbs. I mean, in this hook, you could use it as your belief shifting post, that you are changing your belief of your audience. So yeah. And the five is top 10 tools. I wish I knew earlier. Then number six are the secrets, steal these ideas for, and whatever. And there is the total of a 57 different types of hooks that you could create your content, you can use to create your content right now. Either is it a Facebook post, or Instagram post, or a Twitter, or a YouTube video, or a short form content. Whatever it is, you could easily use these hooks to create your content. So yeah, hope you get value from it. So yeah, I'm giving away, it is for free. So if you want the document file of it, comment down below. I will be giving away to you on your inbox. So yeah, so if you are a coach or consultant or a course creator, and you want to you want to exponentially grow your business with Instagram, using Instagram shoutouts, Instagram ads, and your content calendar, your story sequences, all of this combined, then book a call with me, and I'm going to show you that I am helping, how I am helping you, or how I have helped my previous clients to achieve their goals. and to triple x or at least double or 1.5x your business in 90 days. So this is Ad signing out. Hope you get value from it.